Introducing the all-new VacMaster Wall Mount Wet Dry Vacuum. With incredible suction power, top-quality components, ultra-quiet operation, revolutionary remote control, and an impressive lineup of useful features. This VacMaster is going to set a new standard for wet-dry vacs. Our 5-peak horsepower industrial-grade dual turbo motor ensures longer life, quieter operation, and stronger suction. In side-by-side tests, the VacMaster Wall Mount Wet Dry Vac significantly outperforms the competition in raw suction power. Now, no cleanup job is too big. And with 21 feet of flexible hose and a 20-foot power cord, no mess is out of reach. Solid polypropylene construction and a 2-stage motor not only mean years and years of dependable operation. This VacMaster runs quieter than any other wet-dry vac in its class. And since its longer reach lets you be near the mess and not the vacuum, you'll be amazed at what you can hear even while cleaning. Easy installation on one stud. Outstanding portability with easy wall detachment. Plentiful onboard storage for the cord, hoses, and its wide array of included accessories. A large dust-sealed power switch. Easy conversion to blower mode. Its impressive list of features goes on and on. And if all this weren't enough, add one more innovation you'll love: remote control. It's easy to see why this VacMaster is redefining the wet-dry market. Consumers demanded a better wall mount wet-dry vac. And VacMaster delivered.